Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of EduApex Research Private Limited, your one-stop solution for professional project guidance, IGNOU support and research assistance. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most important components of the MLIS program, the MLIP-02 Project Report. If you are pursuing your Masters in Library and Information Science from IGNOU, then this video is going to be extremely helpful for you. We'll discuss how to prepare your MLIP-02 project step by step, from selecting a perfect topic to structuring your report, writing proposal, collecting data, and finally compiling your final project for submission. So stay tuned till the end, because this guide will make your entire project journey much easier and more professional. And before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about more project related tutorials and updates for IGNOU and other university. So let's begin with understanding what MLIP-02 project is. So I'm taking you to the guideline given by Indira Gandhi National Open University for MLIP program, MLIS program, and as this particular guideline is very long, so I'll gonna sort it out for you, and I'll guide you very important things from this, which are important while making your project report. Okay, so this is the contents that this particular guideline has. So I'm taking you directly to proposal formulation and submission. Okay, the proposal formulation and submission process will be, okay, let's read it first. Synopsis of the proposed project should be prepared in consultation with the supervisor. The synopsis should clearly state the objective, methodology and other details of the proposed project study to be undertaken. Okay, it should have full detail of rationale. Here it is the most important thing. The proposal should have these details: rationale, sampling, instrument to be used, limitations if any, and future direction for further research. The project proposal should be submitted in A4 size paper, typed in double space, along with a content letter or supervisor guide. Okay, so while submitting your proposal, you must have a guide. We'll talk about it later in the video. Okay, while submitting your synopsis to the university, you must be providing the biodata of your guide as well, with all the annexures. Okay, now what are the qualification of the supervisor of the guide? Okay, the minimum qualification of the supervisor are as follows: PhD in Library and Information Science, or Master's degree in Library and Information Science with 2 years of experience in a library or information center and in a lecturer's grade or its equivalent. Okay, another BE, BTech, Computer Science, MCA or equivalent with minimum of 2 years of experience in reputed library information center and similar organizations. Okay, so these are the qualification. Either you have to select your guide according to this particular qualifications. Okay, in most of the cases you can find the project counselor at your study center. He might be your guide. You can ask at your study center. Okay, first. Now another thing is project proposal submission and approval. Students should send proposal pro forma along with copy of synopsis and biodata of the supervisor and content later to the program coordinator. Okay, so in this way you can submit your proposal at program coordinator's office. Okay, now communication of approval, resubmission of project proposal. In case your proposal got rejected due to any reason, after correction you can resubmit it. Here is the process. Okay, now let's talk about project report and dissertation work structure. Okay, how your project work will look like. Okay, and what content you must have in your project. The first thing is certificate. Certificate is an annexure that you have to attach with your project report. Okay, now acknowledgement. You have to acknowledge in your project report that this study has been done by you under the guidance of your supervisor. This is also an annexure you have to attach with your project report. After that, table of content. You have to write the preface, and here the chapterization starts. Okay, the first chapter would be introduction of your study. Second will be your objective of the study. After that, you have to provide the research methodology, like what kind of research design you have been used in your project report, what are the samples, what will be the sample techniques, data collection technique, and data analysis technique you have to add into your project report in under the methodology section. Okay, another chapter will be analysis and findings. Okay, in your research methodology you already have mentioned your data analysis and data collection techniques. So after collecting your data you have to represent and analyze those data in this particular chapter, analysis and finding. You have to present your data through tables and graphs, and you have to interpret it. Okay, so the analysis and finding will have that. Conclusion. In conclusion section you have to write the conclusion of your overall study, and after that you have to provide references and bibliography. Whatever information you have used from where, you have to write here. The sources should be here, okay, as a reference, and it should be in APA format. Index. If you have index, you have to add it, and appendices like questionnaire or any kind of tool if you have used, you have to write or you have to put here. Okay, this is standard bibliography references. Okay, this would be the reference technique. In this way you have to write the references. Now submission of your project report. One copy of a project report dissertation is to be submitted to the directors IGNOU Maidangadi, New Delhi. Okay, so this is the headquarter of Indira Gandhi National Open University in Maidangadi. You have to submit one copy there. The project report may be submitted either by ensured registered post, ensured speed post, or by hand in division. Okay, of IGNOU Maidangadi, New Delhi. Project report and list should be written prominently on the top of the envelope. Okay, so these are the things you can self-study the guideline and understand these things while submitting your project. Okay, list of the profile areas for the project dissertation work. Okay, points to remember for submission of project proposal. For submission of the when you go for submitting your project, you can read this guideline once so that you will have proper understanding. However, I already have told you most of the things in this particular video. List of the areas of project dissertation work. Okay, now here is the themes of the topics you can select. You can see here a study of the problem and constant in the initiating library automation in different organization, library resource sharing, competitive study of library and information services of government funded institution and self finance institutions, library consortia in corporate libraries, design of a web-based information services for the visually challenged person, development of internet-based common gateway. So these kind of project topics you can select. These are the themes on based on these themes you can select your project topic for your study. Okay. There are so many themes given here. Cost effective and consortium based subscription model, the user's pattern of online journals versus printed journals. So there are so many themes given. You can analyze it and you can select one of them while making your project report. Now these are the appendices that you have to attach while submitting your project proposal. This is project proposal pro forma. You have to attach while submitting a proposal, and uh, this is consent letter. So there are many appendices. I already talked about certificate of originality. Yeah, appendix 1, appendix 4. These are the appendices you have to add while submitting your project report. Okay. So I think I already have shared so many things regarding your project report submission. Um, if you still have any question, you can comment in the comment box or WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. I'll directly help you for this. If you want any customized project report on any topic of MLIS program, you can contact us. We'll make it for you. You can directly submit to your university after um, seeing it. So, and that brings us to the end of today's video on how to make the MLIP-02 project report for Masters of Library and Information Science MLIS program. I hope this video has helped you clearly understand the structure, formatting, and key steps needed to prepare a project IGNOU MLIS project. Remember, a well-planned project not only helps you score good marks but also enhance your understanding of research in library and information science. If you still have any doubts or need complete project guidance, topic selection help, synopsis approval support, or a ready to submit project report, you can contact us at Apex Research Private Limited. We provide 100% original and plagiarism-free IGNOU projects with proper formatting and expert guidance. For assistance, reach us through our website or contact details given in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on IGNOU project report assignments and research guidance. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sumit Kumar Gupta from Apex Research Private Limited, wishing you all the best for your MLIP-02 project and your MLIS journey. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Have a great day.